Hi friends, we are going to continue the service account only. If you have not seen my service account part 1 video, just go and watch that video so that you can understand this one. Okay, so now we will copy this one. We have replaced this service account name, BigQuery service account name, and here we have to update our project ID. Just we have to copy this code. I will update this. I mean, I will put this document in our description also. You can also go through this, no problem. So just copy this and go to that cloud shell. Sorry, not cloud shell. We have SSH into that instance, right? Here we have to come. Okay, just copy paste it here. Okay, so we have pasted it here. Okay, now you can see here, this is our service account name, service account mail, and this one is our project. Okay, so then what we have to do means we have to go to that. Yeah, now the application will now use the permissions that are associated with the service account. Now we have to run the query with the following Python command. Let's see, python query.py. Let's see friends, python query.py. We have to run this command. It's working. Yeah, fine, it's working now. You can see this now, 2001, the babies, number of babies count, and likewise 7 2006 until 2004 it has. Okay, so maybe first it is like okay, so number of babies, we can see this, we can view from this. Okay, so for example, if we delete the VM instance, whether it will run or not, it won't run. That's what it's the service account. Okay, now you can see your row values might not map to these years in the above output. However, make sure that the babies per year are the same. Okay, we made a request BigQuery public data set with a BigQuery quick lab service account. Okay, finally we have to delete all those things, or else they will charge it. So how to delete means, just go to that VM first, just go to the home page dashboard here, and you can see the dashboard. For me, I think yeah, it's taking some time. Okay, it is the dashboard. So here you can see the compute engine. We are using one compute engine. Just click the one instance, and you can delete that one, delete that virtual instance. VM instance, we have to remove it. After that, we have to remove the service account also. Finally, we have to delete those things. Yeah. It will not take some time. For me, I'm having some internet issue, I guess. So that's what it's taking some time, friends. If you have not seen my previous videos like cloud storage and cloud storage bucket, and lot of videos I have uploaded it, like app engine, I think I have uploaded it. So I will upload more videos, friends. Please subscribe my channel so that it will motivate me to upload more videos about the Google Cloud platform. You can watch these videos and you can share these videos to your friends. Okay, now I am going to delete this instance. Just click delete. So delete an instance. Are you sure want to delete the instance, BigQuery instance? Deleting this BigQuery instance now. Deleting the instance now. You can refresh it. Yes. Now the BigQuery instance is deleting now. After deleting, Yeah, successfully deleted the instance. We got the message now. Just you can refresh it. It will go. It will be gone, I think so. Yeah, it has gone now. You can go to the service account. Then you have to remove the service account also. Go to the IAM and admin, and you have to click the service account. Just go to that IAM admin. Under this you have to click the service accounts. It's loading now for me. Okay, so we have to remove this service account. Okay, this one is already we have done it. This one we have to remove this one. Delete the service account BigQuery Quick Lab. The account will no longer be used to represent a Google Cloud Service identity. Do you want to delete the service account BigQuery Quick Lab? Then we have to delete this service account, or we can disable also. Now I am going to deleting this account. No need this one for me. So I am deleting this BigQuery Quick Lab service account. You can refresh it. Yeah, fine. This account has been deleted now. That's it, friends. So today we have done with the service account part 2 also. If you have not seen my previous videos about the service account part 1, just go and watch that video. Then you have to come this video. You have to watch this video. Okay, service account part 2. And one more thing, if you have not seen about this IAM also, identity access management also, you can watch that video also. I have uploaded that video also. Okay friends, thanks a lot friends. Have a great day. Bye.